So we're gonna do a long-term review here of the Moultrie power panel, solar panel for your trail cam. So far, this is a little weird here, but this does not unscrew anymore, left or right. It's not gonna work. Insects are building nests behind it. It's good. So here's my power connector. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. You see that? So that's not gonna work no more. Yeah, that's not a good power connector there. So we need to take that out. I'm gonna see if this comes loose. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hear an airplane hitting the brakes. Yeah. So let's see here. I'm on the ladder because it's so far. Yeah, but that works. On both sides. Yeah, good. And I'm gonna take this off. Let me open it up, checking the battery in there. Battery should be good. Yeah, those bolts are okay. Man, because when you're standing up here, it's not so easy. Okay, I'm gonna take the phone down and then we're gonna look at it on the table. So let's see here. Oh, this looks like that we can remove easy, I think. Who knows what's in there, if it's still in there. Oh, little tiny itsy bitsy spiders. It's on and away, look at that in the cracks here. Well, okay, so that's fine here. The surface is so weird, right? It's not. All the light comes in there, but okay. So I'm gonna have to open this up here. All the screws. There's screws here too. Screws all over the place, and then we'll see how this goes. Maybe the best thing to do is to just cut this off and see if there's any voltage on there. So I took it apart, and then I found this little tiny battery in here. That's what the name of the battery is. And it had 4.5 volts. That's really not good enough. And so what I'm doing now is I'm going to charge it here with my local charger. And I'm going to see if this battery survives or not. I don't believe it, but we can see if we can order that online. So, of course, do we need to fix the connector. So I cut that one off. And so there was the battery in here. There's like those brackets over here, like this. Like that, and it's screwed in, and then 2 brackets hold the battery in place. That's fine. The connectors in here are still okay. There's a lot of insect dirt in here. I found a handful of ants, like maybe 5. They laid eggs in here. I maybe should remove here the display to see if there's any corrosion on the display and if that still works, but this should be easily to be tested by removing those, putting the 12-volt battery on here and then see if this still works or not. But that's how that goes. And then we have the solar panel here that we can maybe polish, and then we put it back together and we see how it goes. So look at this, nice and bright. We're gonna see in a second. So how much electricity can we get out? How much electricity can we get out of the solar panel? I wish I would have more hands. Sorry about this. So we do have here the ground there. And you see we get already 3 volts when this thing is upside down. And now if we are in the sun, it has 20 volts, so it is still working great. See that? Oh, look at that. 20 volt. Does this matter how you exactly put it? So that means the panel is very well working. And then we get to the next step. So I get the battery charged and put this all back together, get the new plug on there. So battery here is charging forever. It's a little warm now. I'm gonna push and hold for 3 seconds. There, and then we can switch to repair mode. There we have now the repair mode. See, repair 1.5 amp. Oh, and it shows error message. So something is not right with this battery. Issues. So that battery is hosed. Nothing we can do about it. So after I was on the charger for a while, it now has only 6 volts. As you can see, but this is a 12 volt battery, right? 12 volt battery, but it does only have 6. So this thing is a history. There is nothing we can do about it. It has to be recycled.